Results showed that laboratory treated with the decoction of Tawa-tawa had an increase in platelet count, reduced bleeding time and decreased blood clotting time. Based on the results, researchers concluded that administering Tawa-tawa decoction to animal models help improve their healing mechanism. Euphorbia hirta, or popularly known in the Philippines as Tawa-tawa or gatas. It is a hairy herb that just resides in the backyard, roadsides and pathways. This common weed, Tawa-tawa, is claimed to have healing properties on dengue patients as being backed up by personal testimonies. It became one of the most popular folkloric medicine for dengue in the Philippines. As a folkloric treatment in the Philippines for dengue, Tawa-tawa has earned many anecdotal testimonies from those who purportedly became well from the plant's concoction. Its leaves boiled like a tea and taken orally. In preparing Tawa-tawa tea, 100 grams of the fresh whole plant, including roots, are washed and boiled in half a liter, 500 milliliters, of water for 15 minutes. After cooling and paper filtration, the decoction is taken by the patient at 1 glass every hour until the fever subsides.